Hi. In this video, I'll explain how to design a musical keyboard with three keys. Okay, so that is the aim here. So here, this circuit it illustrates that there are three switches are connected to three pins over here, and and speaker is connected to the digital pin of the microcontroller. So these three switches are going to be the input and the speaker is going to be the output. And in order to write a program for this specification, we have to use a command called tone. Okay, so a command, no, a tone command, it is used to generate different pitches depending on which the sensor or switch is pressed. Okay, so you know that when you use the musical keyboard, as you press the different keys you will get a different sound. So here also we are going to simulate that how the different sounds are coming from the keyboard. Okay, so by using this tone command, then this tone basically it's basically a function which has two to three parameters. One is called a pin number and other one is a frequency. And I'll show you later the tone is basically a function which is developed in a header file called pitches.h. So in from the pitches.h we derive this function called tone, and we specify the pin number where the speaker is connected, and also we specify that at what frequency it has to make a sound. Okay, so you know that in musical keyboard you have C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, E sharp. So like Sarigama Bada, the Nisa. So the same way that we can do, we can get it done. That is only an idea we are going to discuss here. Okay. So tone within bracket pin and frequency. So here another way also you can write it here. That is um, tone within bracket pin number, frequency, and the duration. How long you want to make that sound? That also you can do it. If you look at the musical notes, you have quarter notes, you have half notes, you have a crotchet, minimum, something like the many details are involved. So in such cases, we want to specify the duration. Then you can specify the duration also. Okay. Then how to write a program for this. So as usual, we write a setup here. In setup, we will specify the pin A0. Okay, as the inputs are given to the analog pins. So pin A0 is configured to be an input, and pin number 8, it's basically a digital pin, which is configured to be an output. Then pin A1 is configured to be an input, then pin A2 again it's configured to be an input. So that is the basic operation of setup. Okay. So next, the loop. Okay. So inside the loop we specify if the A not pin is having a high value. Okay. So analog pin also can be used for a digital purpose. So we read a digital value. Okay. We digital value through A naught, since we are going to connect the switches in our implementation. So if digital read A naught is equal to high, then we specify what tone should be given. Okay. So we write tone. Okay. With reference to the syntax tone within bracket pin, from to which pin you have to give the tone, and frequency. Okay, frequency and duration in millisecond, 100 millisecond. So 8 comma 440 comma 100. Okay, so this will give you one particular sound. Similarly, if the A1 switch is pressed, okay, the switch connected to A1 is pressed, and if it is interpreted to be high, a digital value, then we can give another sound here, tone 494 frequency and 100 millisecond. Similarly, for a other switch also we can specify if we digitally able to read a high value through pin A2, then we can set the tone command tone 8, 523, 500. Okay, so as we do this, okay, we'll be able to get three different sounds with a different frequency when you press different switches. Okay, okay. So and also I just wanted to tell you that so there is some delay can be used before we proceed further, continue before we continue the process, because within the loop we are going to continue. Okay, and as I told you, the pitches.hom, pitches.h is having the values. Okay, so here it is defined here for each note. As I told you, you have a B flat, the C sharp, D sharp, D minor, E minor. So those notes are specified here along with this frequency value, along with its frequency value in pitches.h file. So this is what we are specifying here in the frequency place of the tone command. Okay, so as we use different frequencies, we'll be able to get different sound out of a microcontroller through speakers. Okay, now let us see how to simulate this. Okay, so for simulation, again, I use tinkercad.com website, and here I have a circuit connected here where you have three switches connected to the pin A0, A1, and A2, and also on the other side you have a speaker which is connected to pin number 8, connected to pin number 8. So when I press the switches, a corresponding sound will come up on the speaker. Okay, you can hear it when I press it here. So the code also it is developed here. The same code what we discussed, it is given here. Okay, so I can just close the code. I start with the simulation. As I do the simulation, once it is ready, okay, I want you to hear this sound properly. You can see that the switches are off now. When I press any of these switches, it makes a sound. You can hear that sound different frequency. Okay, so low frequency and little higher frequency and more higher frequency. Okay, so like this, if you are good at music, you can able to um, design a musical keyboard with the help of this tone function. Okay, thanks for watching.